centimeter, keep it this one. 4 centimeter. After 4 centimeter, tight it here. Then next, turn it. Yeah, tight it. Yeah, don't give more tight here, half round enough. Then lock this one. Clockwise. Don't forget this one. Full tight. Then after that, after tight, don't forget key inside. Very danger for you. Take it, keep it here. Yeah, clockwise only.
Please tell the also what are they called? इसको क्या कहते हैं, इसको क्या कहते हैं, अगर कुछ कहते हैं तो
Knob, adjustment knob, screw knob. This is knob. Inside one screw is there. Cross slide knob. Now this is lock. First of all, unlock. Don't keep it tight here.
Will not move that.
Will not moving this one. Unlock and move it the tool. Start the machine and take reference here. After reference, move it. Take it tool outside. After reference, don't disturb this one. After reference, right here on chalk mark. And don't disturb this one. Hold it handle and take it tool outside. Tool have to make it now center. Don't touch here and don't touch here. Make it center. After center, both this center. After center, one adjustment lock is there. Touch and tight. Now here, this is chalk mark. Chalk mark is there. Now one rotation. Yeah. Clockwise only, not anti-clockwise. One rotation, clockwise, not anti-clockwise. After rotate, lock here. Don't forget. Then tight. One rotation is tool is moving forward across, not 1 mm. Exactly not across 1 mm. One rotation enough. Then after rotate, lock here, full tight. Then hold it hand wheel and anti-clockwise. You turn it like this. Anti-clockwise. Up to still this, you mark 100 mark, 200 mark, 75. कितना दिएगा? Up to still here. Again come back. Then unlock. Again one more rotation. Then again lock. Again go. Finish. After finishing, no sandpaper. Sandpaper take. File. Keep it down and file it. Okay? Simple. ये तो simple है. This is one simple.
Stop. Stop.
Okay. और
करना पड़ेगा.